Hi, it's Mandy Leahy from CraftyGlam.com. I am playing around with our Happy Birthday transfer, and since I'm using a 12 by 18 Verity board, I'm just going to use the top portion of the Happy Birthday transfer and just kind of scooted it up to make it work on this size board. So I'm going to do a little ombre using brick on the bottom, melon in the middle, and then I'm going to use a custard, which is like an off-white. I would have used white, but I'm completely out and waiting for my order to arrive. So I am simply putting on the paste, squeegeeing off the excess back into the container. That way I can use it again and again and again. And how you saw me stir right there, I just had to add a little bit of water because I haven't used this color in a while and it had thickened up. So easy peasy, water takes care of that. And now I'm just going to use my finger and blend the two colors together. And again, the bottom colors like so. And then let's peel it off and see how cool it looks. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Isn't that adorable? Let me know what you think. Bye.